my channel. How you guys are? I hope you guys are having really great time in your home. Today I have again came up with a tutorial, a makeup tutorial where I'm doing this beautiful summery pink makeup look which is perfect for upcoming summer and is very versatile. Like I always do smoky eyes and bronzy eyes and on. I have never done this sort of eye look before. So this is like pink eyeliner with a pop of purplish, pinkish, neonish, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it is a very vibrant kind of look. Again, it's a very easily recreatable look I've came up with today. So I just hope you guys would love to watch it. And if you really want to know how I have achieved this beautiful look, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video. I'm gonna do my eye makeup first, and for that I'm using this Fit Me concealer and applying it a very good amount onto my lid so that I have a very good base for the eye makeup. Basically I'm just going to have a pop up of pink eyeliner look, and for that I'm using a lipstick. So I haven't done this sort of a look before, and I haven't used any sort of lipstick as my liner, so I don't know how this look is going to turn out. That is why I'm doing my eye makeup first, so that in case I make any kind of mistake I just can cover it up easily just by wiping it off. And as a guideline I am using this clear tape and then applying it in an angular direction so that it can guide me for that wing of the liner. And then I'm taking a pink lipstick, and this one is by Swiss Beauty, and taking a little bit of the lipstick onto a brush like this, which is an angular brush, and then I'm going gradually, like like little by little, because I do not have that much of control over it because I haven't done it before. This is my very first time that I'm using a liquid lipstick as a liner. So yeah, I'm just firstly I'm lining as close as my lash line, and then I'm going making it a little thicker, and then taking some more product and intensifying the liner so that it looks really that poppy pink color, which is really bright. And yeah, so the liner look is pretty much it. Now you have to just correct if you have made any mistake, and you just make it seamless. That's it. And then I'm just removing this guideline and seeing if the wing is correct or not, and I pretty much liked it. And I did the other eye offline and I kind of like it. And then with the wet wipe I'm just removing any excess concealer from my face, and if there is any other kind of dirt in my face I'm just removing that. And then directly moving on to my face, and for that firstly I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I'm using this moisturizer by Jovis. And then I'm using this serum, and this one is by Face Shop White Shade Serum. This serum works really great in summer and for all skin type, and perfectly well. And then for concealing my dark circle and also around my mouth area to hide the imperfection, I'm using this concealer, and this one is by LA Girl Pro concealer, and this works perfectly well, and this is really thick concealer. I really like it. And then for the foundation I'm using this Estee Lauder foundation, and I am in the shade Cashew, and I really love the consistency of this foundation. It's really lightweight, yet it is full coverage, and actually the coverage is really buildable, as you can see, and I'm using like a decent amount. To highlight my under eyes I'm using this Fit Me concealer. I am in the shade Sand. And then to set the concealer I am gonna use the Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just gonna use a very less amount of the product because I really don't want that matte effect on my face. I wanted my makeup to look really healthy and really glowy, so I'm just setting the area where I've just applied the concealer, and I'm not applying it to the entire face. And then for my brows I'm just gonna use this brow gel because I wanted my brows to look wispy, and I think that would be like perfect for this makeup look. And then I'm applying this nude eye pencil, and this one is by Oriflame. I'm just lining my lower bottom line, and then I'm gonna move on to mascara. And for mascara I'm just gonna use my favorite mascara by L'Oreal Paris, and this mascara is so good. And then I went with a falsies, as you can see, because this look demands it. Otherwise this does not look that good. But if you have really good lashes, you can just coat your lashes if you are not comfortable with wearing lashes, but I would highly recommend wearing one. And then for the blush, this look demands so much of blush, and this makeup is inspired by pink sort of a color, and it's really girly, so I wanted my blush in like more amount. So you can see that I'm loading myself up with blush, and that's like pinky blush. And then I'm just going to bronze up my face using this contour palette by Wet n Wild. I'm just going to use it as a bronzer and just giving my face that warmth effect. And then I realized that blush was not enough, so I went with the Maybelline Color Show blush. And then for the highlighter, I'm using my favorite highlighter by Makeup Revolution. This is so beautiful highlighter. And then for the lipstick, I decided to wear this nude nuance, but later I changed it. I thought the nude would look really good, but then I went with a pinkish sort of a color, which you will be seeing in the next clip. And then I suddenly decided, I wanted to stop at this point, but I suddenly decided that let's just pop some color into the inner corners. Let's see, just experiment with the look. And then I went with this purple color, and to my surprise, I was really liking this look, and I know I was so impressed with myself, and the look turned out really good. I hope you guys liked it, and this is the final look. And if you really do, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below your thoughts about this video. This is the first time that I've ever tried this kind of experimental look. I just hope it turned out good and you all like it. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all. Mwah.